Would you like to discover my unique video marketing strategies I use to generate thousands of visitors per month to my blogs, funnels, and offers, without having to feel awkward on camera or spend hundreds of dollars hiring to create videos for me? Look, it's no secret that video has completely taken over. According to Forbes, by 2021, video will make up more than 80% of internet traffic, which is completely mind-blowing. On top of that, video allows you to build deeper connections with your audience and convey your message in so much more profound and emotional way, which makes selling so much easier. In fact, after watching a video, 64% of people are more likely to buy a product online. These are some statistics that really makes you think. And I think it's safe to say that if you're not leveraging video in your business, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. On the other hand, I honestly believe that you may already know these statistics, but you're hesitant to leverage video marketing in your business for a very simple reason, which is creating video that will be worth watching is hard. And I totally agree with you. A lot of videos done by marketers you see on Facebook or YouTube suck and probably put visitors to sleep almost immediately. Of course, there's always an option to outsource and get professionals to create them for you, but that can easily set you back by at least a couple of $100s per video. But if you're just starting out and don't have a budget, it's not really a viable option either. Let me ask you a question. What if there actually was a simple way to create videos that wow your audience without having to feel awkward on camera or having to spend hundreds of dollars hiring professionals to create videos for you? Introducing Video Marketing Domination. Inside Video Marketing Domination, you will see the exact strategies that I use to create videos that generate hundreds and thousands of visitors to my websites, funnels, and offers on a month-to-month basis. The strategies you'll discover inside are totally evergreen, proven to work, and 100% newbie-friendly. Now, you might be thinking that you've already seen similar methods and strategies in the past, or maybe even tried them yourself, and it didn't work out for you. But just before you draw any conclusions, I want to make it very clear that this video marketing strategy is like nothing you've ever seen before. Inside the step-by-step training, you'll discover how to get going with this today. And if you're a total newbie and you have no technical skills, you'll also discover why this system is different and so much better than every other system that you might have tried in the past. But the absolute best part about video marketing domination is that you can start seeing an influx of traffic, leads, and sales within just a few hours from now when you plug into this battle-tested system for inevitable online success. So, to secure your copy of Video Marketing Domination, click the Buy Now button below, and you will get instant access to this amazing system. And I've got some more great news for you. When you get instant access to Video Marketing Domination today, you'll lock in a massive discount. Although we definitely plan to charge $97 or more for Video Marketing Domination Bundle in the near future, when you click the button below, right now, you won't have to pay anywhere near that. But keep in mind, this massive discount is only available when you get this right now. If you wait and come back later, you could find yourself paying a lot more for access. Imagine what it will feel like to start seeing immediate increase in traffic, leads, and sales as soon as today. Not next week or next month. I'm talking right now. The training gives you already proven system for leveraging video marketing to skyrocket your business. All you'll have to do is follow the steps laid out inside. If you can do that, you will start seeing results. even if you've never created a single video before. Or even if you've tried but failed miserably before. Keep in mind, this doesn't require you to be on camera or have any technical skills whatsoever. So, if you're tired of being the outsider looking in, and you're ready to take full advantage of video marketing domination is for you. When you follow the simple step-by-step training inside Video Marketing Domination, you will definitely see a massive increase in traffic, leads, and sales. So, lock in your massive discount and get instant access to Video Marketing Domination by clicking the Buy button below now.